Hey guys, Jared the Therapist here. I got this 4K camera to review, and this camera is absolutely amazing. So this is a great camera that would be for someone that's a beginner or someone that's a vlogger or someone that's just getting into content creation. This camera has a lot of features and it comes with a lot of accessories as well. So with the camera right here, it actually comes with a wide angle lens which actually just screws right on here, which I was really surprised that it came with this. It does a great job at expanding the view so you can take those really wide pictures outside. And it has lens cap that goes on both sides right here. So you can easily throw this right in the case and take it on the go. The case is extremely nice as well. It's a leather case with, on the inside, it's all felt. So you don't have to worry about it getting scratched or anything like that when it's inside the case. Also, inside of this bag, you'll find these little two pockets here. So that way you can store your power cord or your charging cord or any of the extra batteries or the SD card, which all of those things come included, which is pretty, once again, amazing. And then to carry your camera, you can just close up the bag and take everything with you. It comes also with the cleansing cloth, so you can clean off your lenses with the microfiber cloth. It comes with an SD card, it's a 32 gigabyte, and then it comes with the reader as well, so you'll just plug this right into your computer, and then you can read all your files. Or there's also an app that you can use to transfer your files right to your cell phone immediately, or even your laptop too as well. You have the charger that comes with it too. So this charger is extremely nice. It comes with not just one, but two ways to charge the batteries. So you can charge both at the same time, or you can charge just one. You also have the ability to charge the battery that's inside the camera by using the USB-C that's on here, and you can charge it right while it's in here. So that's another bonus feature. Additionally, on this side right here, you'll find the sound port or the microphone access area right here. So you can plug that right in if you wanted to use this while streaming. So when this is charging as a USB-A to USB-C, you'll plug the USB-C right in the back of the battery charger. You'll see that you'll have two different lights here. When it's blue, it's charged. When it's red, it's not charged. So right now, the battery's fully charged, so I can take this on the go with me, so that way I'll have a backup just in case, which I haven't had the battery run out yet, and I've had this camera for about 3 weeks now. This camera is extremely easy to use, and it has multiple features as well. So with this camera, not only can you use it like a normal camera, but you also have the ability to flip the screen out as well, so that way you can work on selfies or anything like that. Now, with this camera also, you have your normal zoom in, zoom out, and then you can also change the function of the camera, whether it be taking pictures, whether it be taking videos, whether it be taking slow-mo videos, or even taking rapid shots right here. So to take the picture or to take the video, you'll just press the record button or the camera button that's right here on the top. To power it on, you'll press the power button that's right here on top as well. Now on top, you have the camera shoe, put your mic on, you can put it right here. And it also allows for you to put this on a tripod as well. Right down here on the bottom is also where you will access the battery. This is where the SD card goes. When you use this for the first time, you are going to need to format it. And it's as simple as turning on the camera and then hitting the OK button, and it will format it so that way you can use the camera right away. I've used this outside of the home and inside the home, and I was really impressed by the quality of everything. I was really surprised. Like, this is truly a great camera for someone that's beginning with photography or vlogging. Use this on a Zoom meeting, and it worked extremely well to capture the meeting. So this would be a great Christmas gift. This would be a great birthday gift. This is a great gift for anyone that is interested in photography or getting started out with content creation. I would highly recommend this, and check this out.